They go free. They go free.
Came out from a big axe and came home to a big bag. I'm a big boss and you big mad. Fuck around and die by my respect. Got blood all on my Christians from all my oppositions. Fuck all my oppositions.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So if you're here, what's goody? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, what's good, boo? I see you. If you've been here since day one, what's good? Welcome back, bae. So I'm not gonna talk so much. I'm gonna get right into this look. So come do my makeup with me, come chill with me, come listen to my poppin' ass little playlist. Before we get into the look, y'all, add my social media, add me on IG, add me on Snap, add me on Facebook, add me on Twitter. I'm gonna leave everything right here down below, and I'm also gonna leave it in my description box. Don't forget to check out my last video, y'all. So little get ready with me, chit chat. Anyways, let's get right into this video. I'm gonna start with my NYX concealer in white, and I'm going to put that all over my lids, just so the color can pop.
Say, nigga, I don't wanna count. Meet me at the bank, show me what you really bout. Niggas ain't real when the shit really count. That's why I keep my little cat in their mouth. Say, bitch, I don't gotta count. Everything I talk, yeah, I really did that. If you want beef, then my bitch gon' scratch. I'ma get the money, so I let her have who run it. Cause all this money gotta come through me. Ayy, I keep it realer than real. Fuck all the critics and fuck how they feel. I'm getting money, it is what it is. They wanna know how I did what I did. Don't worry about why I do what I do, bitch, cause I ain't worried about you, bitch. Nah, I don't wanna be cool, bitch. Still hanging with the same crew. Ayy. The feds, better get from around here before you wind up bed. Yeah, hood shit, with my hood friends, everywhere we go, we be drinking in, shake that ass, bitch, bounce that shit, yeah, he say the touch it like bubblegum, he eat it from the back to the front, bitch, I got green like I'm buttercup, he say I got that little yummy gum, let's have a sex talk, I wanna see your body to secret, secret, no change, you know that you made it, and then I pop it, he gets stiffer than some fake titties. And don't be worried about who I'm fucking, cause you can't hit it. Yeah, running up and bench, tryna fall. If I'm with your daddy, then you know we at the mall. If I'm with a nigga, then you know I won't do no trigger. You might freak like me, be what you need like me. Everybody got up on their tip-toes, they right on tip like me. I got it like this, fiending. My body get jerking, he need it. He begging me for the treatment. He don't feel when I feel like it, I'ma do it. New with the new shit. I do what the fuck I want, when the fuck I want. Bitch, don't let me all you want, run up, bitch, you want. Houston, we have a problem. Yeah, bitch, don't like me all you want, run up, bitch, you want. Hey, yeah, I do what I want and you do what you can. That's why I'm breaking your man. Damn, we're whipping my ass. Look at these bitches, they now look at me, she bad. Hey, niggas in love with this ass. Hey, do we have a problem, bitch, with your nigga? Probably, bitch.
Up in the phone like some skirt. All up in your feelings, yeah, you say it's so hurt. Ellie, if they change, now it's time to run it out. And the gang got his shoes, so you know they wanna fuck. No, not the thing with us. You're thinking that it's sweet, it's not okay with us. Right now I'm in the A, we got the K with us. All my teens hugging you, they bright as well. She only I do not have all the answers, and I gotta stay with the 90s days. The bitches taking niggas on these days, and I ain't out with all the drama, hey. Poppin' just from moving rocky, hey. All those niggas, they be wildin', hey. You sleeping on me, but I'm wide awake. Eliante, sir, all I ever needed was some.
You told me that you need some closure, you still come over. I don't need it.
Look back at it. She ain't never do this before, but she good at it. Said she never made love, but she good at it. She make a nigga feel good when I look at it. All of my friends love money, knowing yeah, I'm a rockstar. Got it on my wrist, that's a bust out. All I know is get it from all down. Bitches ain't shit unless we stuck down.
Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look, and I hope y'all like it, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoy my playlist, couple of things that I listen to and stuff like that. I could get a little ratchet. I did try to record like more songs and like more stuff, more of the look or whatever, but like my battery kept dying, so I ended up getting on Facebook Live and finishing out my look there or whatever. So I promise to do another video for you guys of my playlist and me gymming and whatever, but this is all I could get because my camera was just acting funny. It was acting fugazi. Anyways, I'm gonna check out my next video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. I'm gonna check y'all later. Peace.